Welcome everyone. Hope you all are doing great, safe, and healthy, and all that good jazz. My name is Nativity, and tonight, right now, we're going to be talking about Submithub. Submithub is a place where you can submit your tracks to Spotify playlisters, radio shows, FM, online, and influencers on Instagram and whatnot. And they can check out your music and they'll write you a comment and tell you if it's approved or not. So in my case, I submitted my song Tu Amor, Your Love, and we're gonna go over the results and all that jazz. So Submithub, that's SUBMITHUB.com. Check it out. Maybe we'll do a video in the future how to submit your tracks if you like. If that sounds good to you, write down below in the comments. So for all the TLDR people out there, we're just gonna go over the highlights so you don't have to watch the whole video if it's not your jazz. But so Submithub campaign for the track Tu Amor, that started on July 20th, the year 2020 to July 23rd. That was only a 3-day campaign. So the thing with Submithub is that you can either submit your tracks with the free option or you can do it with a paid option. The thing with the paid option is that when you pay, it's more guaranteed that they'll listen to your track. And the reason why is because these outlets will only get paid if they listen to your track within 48 hours, 72 hours, I'm not sure. Look it up. So it's kind of a guaranteed way to get people to actually listen to your track. That's how Submithub works. So when you submit tracks, you either submit it for free or you pay to get credits. So they listen to the track and approve it for their Spotify playlist or their SoundCloud playlist or an online feature or any of that stuff. So I've been choosing the paid option recently. So we're gonna do the TLDR recap. I purchased 100 credits and I spent $80. And out of the 100 credits, that led me to reach out to 61 recipients. Some of these outlets either require 1 credit, 2 credits, or 3 credits to respond and to check out your track. I had a mixed bag of outlets that required 1 credit, 2 credits, or 3 credits. In total, we hit up 61 recipients. Out of 61, 57 responded. And out of 57, we got 4 approvals, which is pretty good. So 61 recipients, 57 responses. That's about like a 93% response rate. And we got 4 approvals, so the approval rating is about 6%. And out of the 61 recipients, we got 7 refunded credits. So there were people who did not get to my track in time and they didn't listen to it or comment to it. So the money that I spent on those credits came back. We are now going to head into the laptop right there, and we're going to take a look at the some of the cool comments, the cool feedback, and the weird feedback, I guess, the not cool feedback, and we'll show you the layout. So let's go. Right here is my notes. As you can see, the 3-day Submithub campaign for Tu Amor from July 20th to July 23rd. Okay, and then the website looks like this. So let's go back. So this is what it looks like in your homepage when you set up. As you can see, I've done 2 campaigns so far, one for my track Give and one most recently for my track Tu Amor. So we're going to click on this. As I stated earlier, out of the 61, 57 got back to me, so 93%. And yeah, let's go over some of the responses. One cool feedback that I got was he said, "Hi mate, thanks for your submission. This track has a great production, beautiful chords and melody. Really like these vibes. Nice atmosphere and slow progression until the end." That's a good part. Unfortunately, not fitting my learning playlist, looking for more funky stuff, so can't share on this occasion. Sorry about that, but it's a great deep house track. Keep up the good work. Best regards. So that one's pretty good. Let's go for a shorter one. This person said, hey, thank you for the submission. Really solid deep house track, and I love that bell sound. However, I think this one is too deep for my playlist. Hope you can understand. So I understand, but you know, why not go deep? And then let's read some of the not so cool feedback. First one up is, like the drums, but sadly not digging the plucks since the very start. The plucks, okay. Interesting. We'll kindly have to pass on this. All the best. So, kind gratitude to you. Here's another one. Okay, this one's like one of those positive ones, but it's kind of weird. At the end, thank you for your submission. There are some dope sound selections, and I really like that deep vibe that your track got. For my playlist, it lacks just a little bit more commercial hooks for it. Sorry. Like if those vocal shots would be full vocals, for example. All right, get it, but it's not supposed to be a commercial track. Can't please everyone. Let's see here. All right. Okay, here's one. It says, hi, Nativity. Thanks for reaching out. The idea is there, but I think it takes way too long to get introduced. And it becomes a bit monotone and repetitive for me. Mixing could be better as well. I'm sorry. Not something for us this time. Wish you good luck with your release. Excuse me. Thank you for the luck. And it takes too long to get introduced. It's because it's a house music track. Anyway, we're going to go back in and look at the approvals. So you're here, and then you're going to click on approved. And then we're just going to go over here. Nope. Where are we going? Campaigns, approve. So some of the ones that were approved, one of them was this cool website called Head Candy. They supported me when I submitted Give a while back. So they were digging into them more also. So it says here, Head Candy, the playlister. If you look down here, it says has received over 5,000 submissions and approves about 10%. So that's pretty cool. So let's go to the Spotify playlist. So here it is, Head Candy Ibiza 2020 Beach Club Beach House. So scroll down. Oh, here's my track right here. So they've been pretty cool. Yeah, thank you for the support. There's a couple other ones here. This one, let's see here, scroll up. This one is All Songs Considered. Shout outs to Rex. Let's see where. So it's right here. Shout out to Rex for All Songs Considered Volume 2. Another one that approved it was Tech and Melodic Selection. So this was a mix of Ibiza, deep house, tech house, melodic techno, and everything in between. Artists like Ben Bulmer, Solomon, Camel Fat, defected stuff. So where's mine? Oh, here we go. It's down here. Cool. And then let's see who else. And then there was also another one. Stefano, shout out to Stefano for the Dinner Mood Cup. So he didn't, he initially said that the track didn't particularly fit the playlist, but he gave me a playlist spot for about a week. It's been over a week, so he took it down, so it's all good. A lot of respect. Thank you for the gratitude. So shout out and thank you to Stefano for the Dinner Mood Cup playlist. Shout out to Yasin for the Tech and Melodic Selection playlist. Shout out to Rex for All Songs Considered Volume 2. And big shout out to Notch at Head Candy Ibiza 2020. Yep. So yeah, that is the results. Those are the results of Tuamor's Submithub experience. So once again, you reached out to 61 recipients, spent about 80 bucks. Should have mentioned that earlier. 80 bucks spent, 100 credits, 61 recipients, 57 responded, 4 approvals, and 7 refunded credits. So now you might be asking, what has it done for my Spotify? So let's take a look at that real quick and we'll get this video wrapped up. If you like this kind of thing right here with the Submithub and how things are going, kind of wrap-ups or whatever, comment below if you like it. Maybe we can do more of these in the future when I do other promo campaigns. So let's go into the Spotify. So here you go in the last 28 days. Here's all the tracks. So Give is still up there. Give got about 286 streams with 194 different listeners. So Tu Amor from the Head Candy playlist and the other playlist got about 209 streams with 168 listeners. So click that on Spotify. So as you can see here, there's only like a couple in July after the release. And then on the 20th, when I started the campaign, it kind of went up every day. So 12 on that Tuesday, 17 on that Wednesday after, 30 on that Thursday, so I'm approaching the weekend, 34 on that Friday, this past Friday. Dipped down on Saturday, guess everyone wasn't on Spotify, and then it's going back up. So this past Monday, 41 streams, so pretty cool. Top countries for this song, shout out to Brazil. We got UK on number 2, Chile for numero 3, and Estados Unidos, the USA number 4 on 17. Top cities for the song, Santiago, Chile with 23 streams. Got Long Beach, California, that's what's up, 6 streams. And we have Lisbon, the UK, 5 streams. Let's go Sao Paulo, Brazil, 5 streams. And Palm Beach Gardens, that's interesting. Florida, okay. Shout out to Florida. Hope you're staying safe out there right now with 5 streams. So yeah, that's about it for 2 or more Submithub campaign. If you like this kind of vibe, comment below. Hit the like button, smash that subscribe thing, and yeah, everyone stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on making music. Thank you for being here and for joining me along the journey, because every week we'll be releasing new originals every Friday on Spotify, Bandcamp, and all your favorite DSPs. And yeah, stay compassionate to everyone. See you later. Peace out.